Page 104 is the lesson on technique. Now I'm going to go through this whole page in this lesson. We'll just cover everything briefly. On number 1, I think the main thing we're after here are the triplets. 1 and 2 and just count that throughout. You got it. The hands are playing the same note names. It's here. 1 and 2. And you come up 1 key. We're just going up the white keys here. We're just using notes in C major. White keys only. You keep doing that all the way up. Really, you should go up and down, not just up. But whatever. See if you can't go up when you're moving without looking at the keyboard. Where you can feel the distance of going up or down just 1 key, it would really come in handy later on. It comes in handy now, actually. On number 2, we got the triplets again, but now they're broken chords or arpeggios going up and it's crossover. See, the left hand's here, and I'm getting here ready to go. You come back down. Be ready. You're looking ahead to see what's coming, and you're moving your hands in advance, and everything's going crazy. Yeah. Just going up the white keys. You go all the way up. They show at the end here. Okay. I still think you should come back down. It wouldn't hurt to do that. Just start there and come down. And as far as dynamic and all that goes, I don't pay a lot of attention when you're doing something this. Ideally, you should do it at all dynamics, but in my opinion, it is most important to do it very softly because it takes a lot of control to play very softly. So the more you practice that. So I would do all of these very softly. How soft can you play it without the soft pedal, of course? You got to do it with the hand. Very light, very little weight here. Just very little weight. Now number 3, we're doing augmented chords. Remember augmented chords? A major chord is a major third and a minor third, and augmented is just a major third and a major third. We're just taking top note up. So you take it from the major chord to up here, so it's here. And the fingering, I don't care for the fingering. I typically would do that because I can stay out here. Here. You can do the fingering in the book if you want, I don't care. And then you're coming up. Okay, you could do this in any key. Just start with a major and just raise the top note up a half step. D major augment, yeah. Here, up a half step. Yeah, because that's a major third. Yeah. F major here, they come up here. They say E flat major, that's here. So if we go up a half step here, so I'm there. You don't want up here, you can do that. Whatever the notes are. Yeah, okay. However you want to finger it, it's up to you. Yeah. And the last one, they're using the left hand, and this is the diminished chord. Remember, diminished is 2 minor thirds. So we have on a major chord, you have a major third and a minor third. So that third is okay. It's just here, we got to go here. That's a minor third. Now that made that a major third. We don't want that. We need a minor third. So both of these notes got to come down. That's a diminished. And this would be F diminished. You can do that if you want. You can do that. I don't care how you finger it. It depends on where I am as to how I'm going to finger it. Kind of silly doing it down here because you can't hear nothing down here. It just sounds like a blob, but that's what they're doing. I don't know. And then you can do this on all the different keys too. You're just starting out with a minor third. They see at the bottom, they say transpose to F sharp and D. That's misleading because it needs to be F sharp minor and D minor. A diminished, you're using a minor. So F sharp is here. Now what I'm going to do, the major is here, D flat or F sharp. The minor would be here and then here. How about 2 minor thirds? It's got to be F sharp minor, and you just lower. That's F sharp minor, and then I just lower that to make it diminished. F sharp diminished. And then the D, well, I'm not going to go D major, and go to D minor, and then you lower that. And that's D diminished. Here. And you can figure thumb of that, I stay out here. There. I think it's better if you start it up here so you don't go so low, because you can hear them better up here. That's all we're doing here. I didn't do the rhythm or nothing of that. I'm just focusing on the actual notes that are in the chords. That's what I'm after. And you really ought to do it in both hands. Like number 3 here, I should do it in both hands. So you get the feeling of this in both hands. And same with number 4.